Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can activate an EBT card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app on your phone, and then right afterwards go ahead, tap in this user ID and add in your user ID over there and add in your password as well. Now once you've added all of the information correctly, now go ahead, tap on this login given at the bottom right. Then once you have signed in, this is how the interface gonna appear, and you can see your Colorado EBT card, aka any other cards that you have activated or had applied to will also be available and listed over here. Now go ahead, tap on your card right over there, and here you're gonna find all of the services that card has required. You can see card number, food cash, and no pending benefits, no post transaction at the bottom, and all of the services on top you will find. Now over here you should be finding this option of activate card if it's not been activated. Now go ahead, tap on the activate card option and simply follow the instruction and provide all of the information that it asks for you to, and then add in the information of your card that you would like to activate, and then confirm it, and you will be able to activate your particular card. Now for example, if it's not showing options or if it's not helping you out, then you can surely contact the support of EBT, and then they will let you know what you can do further, or the other ways around as well for you to activate it, and you're good to go. So that's basically it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.